In this video, I'll demonstrate how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to uncover those deleted messages, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started with the method. First, head over to the Play Store and search for an app called Note eSave. It should be one of the first options available. The app icon looks like this. Install it and open the app. Once you've opened the app, make sure to click Allow in the Settings section to grant it access to your notifications. You'll also need to review and accept the terms and conditions. The app will request access to your files and media as well. Now, in the settings, toggle on and then off all the applications. This step ensures that the app doesn't block incoming notifications. Setting up the app that allows you to read deleted messages is complete. Now, let's see how it works. For example, let's say you received a message from someone and they deleted it before you could read it. Open the Note eSave app and navigate to the WhatsApp section. Here, you'll find the deleted message that you missed. Normally, when you read a message in WhatsApp, the sender sees a blue tick to indicate that you've read it. If you use the Note eSave app to access a message, the sender will only see a gray tick, giving you the advantage of reading the message without them knowing. Lastly, you can also save these deleted messages and conversations. Simply click and hold down on a person's chat, and you'll see an icon in the top right-hand corner. You can save the chat to your preferred location, share it as a link, or store it securely. Always use this app with integrity and consider the privacy of others. Think before you text, as you never know who might be reading your deleted messages. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can find more tutorials on our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. We'll see you in the next one.